Here's the truth about buying TikTok likes that most people won't tell you. Yes, buying likes can help your account grow, but it can also completely destroy it if you do it the wrong way. So, what's the difference between boosting your reach and getting your account shadow banned? It all comes down to how you do it. Let's start with what not to do. If you're tempted by cheap offers from bot farms, fake accounts, or click farms, think again. These services use automation and fake profiles to inflate your numbers. Not only do they ruin your trust score with TikTok, but they also signal to the algorithm that your engagement is fake. The result? Your reach tanks, your videos stop getting shown, and your account could even get suspended. And if a third-party app asks for your TikTok login, run the other way. That's a huge red flag and a major security risk. So, what's the right way to buy TikTok likes without risking your account? It's all about using secure, TikTok-safe methods that involve real people and real engagement. There are three main strategies that creators use to boost their likes while staying within TikTok's guidelines. First, there are micro-engagement marketplaces. These platforms connect you with real creators and users who engage with your content for a small fee. You're not paying for bots or automation. Instead, you're sponsoring real engagement from real people. You never have to share your password, and you're working within TikTok's rules. Think of it as a collaboration, not a shortcut. Second, you can use boosted content campaigns. This is where you pay to have your video discovered by a wider audience through targeted ads or exposure platforms. TikTok actually allows this, and it's completely safe. Platforms like TikTok Promote or trusted third-party networks amplify your video to real viewers. The engagement you get comes naturally from real people who are interested in your content, not from fake accounts. Third, there are growth agencies that work with verified creators. These boutique agencies use real influencer groups to like, comment, and boost your content. They operate ethically, follow TikTok's guidelines, and treat engagement as a creator collaboration. This is the method that big brands use behind the scenes to get their videos trending. Now, why does real engagement matter so much? TikTok's algorithm works in microbursts. When you post a video, it's shown to a small group first. If those people like, comment, and watch to the end, TikTok takes notice and pushes your video to a much larger audience. Small boost in early engagement can massively increase your reach, but only if that engagement is real. Fake likes will kill your account, while real likes can unlock viral potential. So, what are the secure platforms creators actually use? Fiverr Pro gigs from vetted creators, Sprizzy for video discovery, TikTok Promote inside the app, and micro-influencer engagement pods. These options never ask for your password, never use automation, and only involve real users. They keep you safe and help you grow the right way. But remember, paid likes should never replace organic growth. They're meant to boost content that's already performing well. Here's the formula top creators use. Post 3 to 5 videos, find the one that's getting the most traction, and boost only that video. Let TikTok's algorithm do the rest, and repeat the process every week. This creates a consistent cycle of growth without risking your account. So, if you want to boost your TikTok likes safely, use real engagement, avoid bots at all costs, and focus on amplifying videos that already show potential. Paid engagement is just the starter fuel. Your content is the engine, and TikTok's algorithm is the rocket that can launch you to the next level. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your TikTok success journey is just getting started.